In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Gmail on Yahoo Mail. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Yahoo Mail has made it possible that you can easily use your Gmail to log into your Yahoo Mail app. To do this, go ahead and first open your Yahoo Mail app. If you don't have the app, you can download it. And once you are here, now you have an option to sign in using either your Yahoo Mail or your Gmail. For my case, I want to sign in using my Gmail. Now that I already have a Gmail account, I'll just proceed and tap on sign in with Google. From here, you'll be taken to your Gmail accounts. Go ahead and choose the one that you wish to sign in with. So I've chosen this. Go ahead and tap on agree and share. And as you can see, I'm told here Yahoo wants additional access to your Google account. I'll go ahead and tap on continue down below. Now you can go ahead and set your name and choose the birth year and finally tap on next to proceed. And as you can see, now I've been welcomed here. The sign in was successful and I'm told welcome to Yahoo. From now on, you can use this email to sign in anywhere on Yahoo. Go ahead and tap on done, and this will go ahead and load your account. And here you can now connect to your mailbox. You are told you can sign into another Yahoo app using this account. You can also access and read your Gmail right here in the Yahoo Mail app. To do that, go ahead and tap on access my Gmail and finally tap on continue to link the two, and go ahead and check this box. So I'll check all of them to grant access, and then go ahead and tap on continue, give access. So I'll go ahead and grant access by confirming. And this will redirect me to my app and load my mails. So that's how you can get your Gmail email straight into Yahoo app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.